I'm recording anyway. All right, so this is assignment number 14, and it's got a front and a back. Look at this back. Doesn't that look fun? Look at that. Well, we're not going to do all those, but let's go ahead and, this is just reading the word problem and setting it up, and I always start with the question. It says, what is the total? What is the total for weight for the, and it's the weight. What is the total weight for the bicycle and box? What would you have to do? Add. You're going to add. That's a total. Is, and again, mixed up answers are here. And whenever you find the answer, let's suppose that one was this, and you did number 1. So number 1, you'd put an L and an O. So if there's 2 letters, you space it out right here. How many more miles do they have to go? What do you think you have to do? I went 15 miles. The whole trip is 20. How many more miles do I have to go? What do you have to do? Subtract. Subtract. Good job. So you probably have to subtract. This one is easy. Where's the one that's kind of hard? Is this one? The number 6. Okay. The number 6, when you are in a car, your odometer might say, when you drive out the driveway, it might say 2043. And then at the end of your, then you take off. This is the start. This is the end. And it might say 6732. How can I find out how many miles I went? Very good. It is subtracting the new miles that are on your car minus the miles in the beginning. So that means that this one is probably a subtraction problem. Now let me see if there's anything else. Okay, the other one that is confusing is this one, the number 8. All right, the number 8, and I have to draw a picture. How far did the nail go into the post? So he drove a nail that's 2.5 inches long into a board and then into a post. So I will draw that for you. There was a board and then there was a post. It says the board was 0.75 inches. Okay, and the nail that they're driving through is going into both of them. It's going into the board and into the post. The question is, how far did the nail go into the post? Oh, by the way, this whole nail is 2.5 inches. Who knows what you're looking for? Gabriel, what? Yeah, because very good. Very good, because you're actually looking for this part. You're not looking for any of the board. You're looking for this. How much did it go into the post itself? So it only went in from here to here. And if you know this is the total, you would take away the amount that it went into the board. So it's going to be 2.5 minus the 0.75. And I did that very bad because there's lines on your paper. You should be putting everything on the line. 0.75, and your line to finish the problem should be straight because you've got those blue lines. And again, make sure you put your 0 and then subtract from there. And I think, okay, watch carefully on the question. It says, what was the record time? That's all I need is time. All I need is time. Is 1984 a time? No. Is 400 meters a time? No. Is 100 meters a time? No. Are all these numbers in seconds a time? Yes. So that should be pretty easy. Again, the question tells you what you're looking for. What is the difference? What does difference mean? Subtract. In the diameters, it might give you the, oh, look at it, gives you the weight. Do I need a weight? Because it says, what's the diameter? What's the difference in the diameter? So there's extraneous numbers in there. Extraneous means extra, that you will not need. So you're going to do those, and I'm just debating how many of these. How many of these? I only really want you to do I'm going to have you do 24, and I think because I'm giving you so few here, you might end up doing them here. I always like the subtraction, and I want you to, these 4. That's it. So it is 25, 27, 24, 28, and actually, I don't know if you'll have room here. If you could do them neatly, great. You know, if you could section it off and do them neatly. The mixed up answers will be down here somewhere. Alrighty?
So we're just doing those?
Just those 4. Do you want to do the whole page?
No.
No. I like these these are already lined up. So it's like, it's no big deal. You just have to put your 0 and subtract. But these help you practice in putting in your decimal and lining them up straight. So just those 4.
On this page?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Can you handle that, people?
Yes.
All right. And you can begin.